It's duck moving day.
Duck moving day.
Time to get these critters moved out of this mud hole and so they can make a new one. You say they have another egg? All right, so somebody started laying.
Our third egg.
Tres huevos?
This is our third egg in 3 days.
Wow.
Ugh,
They are muddy.
they're muddy
All right, well, we need to get the stuff out of this coop so we can move it.
I'm gonna go put the egg somewhere safe.
All right. So this is normally used as a chicken run, but it has temporarily sufficed as our duck run. We're gonna get all their food and water and stuff out of the way and picked up so we can move them. We move these guys about once a week, so they're doing a good job fertilizing the ground and keeping it watered. And we just like to move them, get them another clean spot to live in. They seem to enjoy the fresh grass when we move them too. Hey guys, nobody's gonna eat you today. Get them all new fresh water and clean all this out. Ducks are very messy. And there's that. Now, everything is ready.
Okay,
Just straight back. Huh?
where they came from is green, or where they came from.
Yeah, I think we just need to keep them on fresh ground, not keep them on the same thing that's been
Oh no, it's just
already been
green.
used.
That's the only patch of green.
All right, so
That time of year.
I'm gonna go get the tractor and we'll go hook it up right here.
Okay.
We're ready to move it.
Pull more hose.
Really like this quick hitch on here with the thing for trailers and stuff. It's really handy. Put it up here on this steel, up here on the top.
You gotta get it closer.
There we go.
It's hot.
Yeah, everything in the sun's hot this afternoon. All right. Trying to get them away from the back so we don't get them pulled underneath and get them injured. So she just kind of scares them up there. Where'd she go? Is that far enough yet? What?
You mowed it. It's freshly mown.
Oh yeah, I did mow it a week ago or so. So we basically just move it a section forward. I think you can probably see where we've moved it in the past weeks, but yeah, so now they got some nice fresh grass, and they'll go to town on that.
Oh, they like the tall weeds.
They like the weeds, but
They like these seed heads.
all right, that's that. I'm gonna move this so my seat's not in the sun anymore. She's going to start washing out their pans and tubs and getting them set up again. I'll come back and help her in just a minute. It's amazing how green the grass is where they've been, both from their fertilizing it and from being wet. So it's really good for the pasture soil. The next project is to move the meat birds outside, so we're going to use the tractor bucket to hold our cage.
This is where they want to be, right here.
Yep, we've got to redo the front end of this little chicken coop so we can start using it again.
Maybe it'd be our Carter.
There's the chairman of the board right there. Let me get their ladder down.
Yeah, you can get on.
The ducks really don't go up here, but we use this because there's a leak in the in the roof right up here. We put their food underneath it and it keeps it dry. What's up, quackers? Did we ever find out what kind of ducks these black ones are? Do you remember? Really don't know. Pretty sure the white one's a pekin and the brown one is a female mallard.
Here, guys. I know.
So you guys are all brand new again. Probably should go ahead and fill their feeder up. It's a little low. Well, it's exciting getting some eggs from the ducks. We've never had duck eggs before. Although it's one a day right now, huh?
Well, so far.
So far, one a day.
I didn't expect to have one every day.
They say that they're pretty prolific layers, the pecans, so I don't know. It's the first time we've had them, so I don't know much about them.
Which one is laying.
Yeah, we don't know which one it
They're
is.
from April, so they're 5 months old.
They are, so if they're like chickens, they're close to time to start laying,
I
right?
don't think they are. And I don't think they lay daily like a chicken.
Yeah.
That's why I was surprised to get one every day.
So you guys can make a whole new mud hole in here. I guess that's part of how they feed. You see, they stick their bill down in the soil and mud and stuff. That's why they like it muddy. But they do seem to eat some of the grass and seeds and stuff.
They are waterfowl. Let's see how